When utilizing a point system for grading, your first step after creating the assignments is ensuring that the points assigned are correct, according to the syllabus. You can easily view all of these by entering the Full Grade Center and selecting Column Organization under the Manage drop-down menu. Once there, you'll be able to see the points possible for each assignment. In cases where the points listed are incorrect, simply return to the Full Grade Center and click the chevron to access each column's pop-up menu. Click Edit Column Information in order to change the points possible. Be sure to click Submit to return to the Full Grade Center. Repeat this for any assignment that had an incorrect point value designated. The next step is to create your calculated column. In the Full Grade Center, select Total Column under the Create Calculated Column drop-down. It is vital that you entitle this column Current Grade. Anything other than that will not correctly transfer into the gradebook in Jenzabar. Your primary display should be set to percentage, and the secondary display should be set to none. In the section entitled Select Columns, you'll most likely want to select the radio button for all grade columns, so every assignment is averaged for the correct score. You also want to make sure you select Yes for Calculate as running total. Additional options below should be set by default for this column to function accurately. Be sure that you click Submit in order to save this and return to the Full Grade Center. Your next step is to create a column for your adjusted grades. In the Full Grade Center, select Create Column and enter the column name as Adjusted Grade. It is vital that you entitle this column Adjusted Grade. Anything other than that will not correctly transfer into the gradebook in Jenzabar. Your primary display should be set to text, and the secondary display should be set to none. There should be no category assigned to this column, and a point value of 100 should be listed here. In the options below, be sure to click No so as not to include this in the Grade Center calculations. Click Submit to save your changes and return to the Full Grade Center. At the end of the semester or session for your course, you will use the Adjusted Grade column to enter any grade adjustments that are different than what is calculated in the Current Grade column. This includes the entry of grading anomalies and adjustments, including letters used by the registrar's office. If there is no adjustment needed, a null entry is sufficient. The system will then use the grade from the Current Grade column. You will now go back into the column organization so you can correctly position the Current Grade and Adjusted Grade columns for easy viewing. Your new columns will be located at the very bottom of this page. Click on the arrow cross icon to the left of each respective column and simply drag it to the top section just under the student's name. Be sure to click Submit.